In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Calendly to GoDaddy website. By the end, you'll have a clean, embedded booking calendar right on your page so visitors can schedule time without leaving your site. Start by opening your browser and heading to Google. Type GoDaddy, then click through to the official GoDaddy website. Sign into your account using your usual credentials. Once you're in, look to the top right and click your profile name. From that menu, choose My Products to see everything tied to your account. Find the website you want to edit and open it in the GoDaddy website builder. On the page where you want your calendar to appear, hover until you see the plus sign to add a new section, then click it. In the section library, select Files and Web and choose HTML. This is the option that lets you embed custom code directly into your page. Go ahead and pick the Embed Custom Code on the Page section type. This creates a blank module where we'll paste the Calendly embed. Now, in a new tab, go to Calendly and open the event you want to add to your site. This could be a 15-minute intro call, a demo, or any event type you've already set up. On that event card, click the three dots to open more options, then click Add to Website. Choose Inline Embed. Inline keeps the calendar right inside your page content, which is the most natural experience for visitors. Click Continue to see the generated embed code. Then click Copy Code. This copies the full HTML snippet you need. Switch back to your GoDaddy tab. In the Custom Code section you added, click into the code box and paste the embed snippet you just copied from Calendly. You should see the script and div tags appear in the editor. If there's a title or description field for the section, consider adding a short line like "Book a meeting" to give visitors context. When you're happy with it, click Done to apply the changes. A couple of quick tips as you review. The editor preview may take a moment to load external embeds, so don't worry if the calendar appears after a short delay. If your layout looks tight, you can adjust the section's spacing in the builder to give the calendar a bit more breathing room. And if you ever need to switch to a different event later, just return to Calendly, copy the new embed, and replace the code in the same HTML section. That's it. Your Calendly is now embedded on your GoDaddy website, ready for visitors to book with you.